Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the adventurous week of emotions and stories. Today's story is called Birju's Solo Train Adventure, Kolkata to Mumbai. Birju had always dreamed of traveling to Mumbai, the city of dreams. So, when his uncle in Mumbai invited him to spend the summer vacation there, he was overjoyed. His parents booked him a train ticket on the Howrah Mumbai Express, a long journey of 2 nights and nearly 2000 kilometers. It was his first solo train journey, and though he was excited, he also felt a little nervous. But he didn't know that his trip would turn into an unforgettable adventure. Day 1. The Mysterious Passenger. Birju boarded the train at Howrah Junction in Kolkata. His parents waved goodbye as the train slowly chugged out of the station. He settled into his seat by the window, looking at the changing scenery. Bustling city streets turned into green fields. As night fell, Birju noticed a strange man sitting in the corner of his compartment. The man had a long beard, dark glasses, and a huge bag that he kept close to him. He hardly spoke to anyone. Birju, being curious, tried to observe him discreetly. When the train stopped at a small station, the man quickly got down but left his bag behind. Why would someone leave his bag? Birju thought. His heart raced. Could it be something suspicious? He debated whether to check inside but decided to inform the train conductor instead. When the railway staff opened the bag, they found just clothes and snacks. Birju felt a little embarrassed but also relieved. Just as they were about to close the bag, a small notebook fell out. It had strange markings and a number written inside. Was this some secret code? Day 2. The Unexpected Theft. The next morning, Birju woke up to loud noises in the compartment. Someone stole my wallet, shouted an elderly man. Birju saw a group of people gathered near the door, discussing the theft. The train was approaching Nagpur Junction, and the thief could try to escape at the next stop. Birju suddenly remembered that the mysterious notebook from last night. Could it be related? He quickly flipped through the pages and found a list of train stations and numbers written next to them. One of the next stops was circled in red. Maybe the thief plans to get off there, Birju thought. He rushed to the train conductor and showed him the notebook. The railway police were informed and they kept a close watch. As the train reached the marked station, they caught a man trying to sneak off. It turned out that he was the real thief, and the strange man from the last night was actually a detective tracking him. Birju's curiosity had helped solve a theft. Day 3. Arrival in Mumbai. After 2 adventurous nights on the train, Birju finally reached Mumbai. His uncle was waiting for him at the station and he excitedly told him about everything that had happened. You had more adventure in 2 days than most people do in a lifetime, his uncle laughed. As Birju stepped out of the station, he realized that his solo train journey had made him more confident, braver, and smarter. This trip had been more than just a journey. It had been an unforgettable adventure. We hope you like the story. Please do mention it in your comments. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.